Hello everyone, a very good day to all of you. As we all know, the Saudi government has changed the VAT percentage from 5 to 15, which is getting effective from 1st July, right? So in this video, I'm just going to guide you how to change the same in the software and how to bulk update it for all the items at once, right? So first thing is you just have to log into the software with the admin credentials. Then directly you can navigate to inventory, masters, and tax. So this is the first step we are going to do after we have logged in as admin. All right. So we are going to create a new tax and we are going to map the new tax for all the items at once. Okay. So first step is, as I said, go to inventory, masters, and tax. So when you click on this tax, the tax master window opens. So there are two things which you have to do here. You have to enter the description and you have to enter the percentage value. So in the description, I'm just going to type VAT 15 percentage, all right, and press enter. Now in the VAT percentage column, you just have to enter 15 and press enter. So once these two values are entered, VAT 15% and 15 in the percentage value, you can click on the save button which is available on screen. So this will save the tax record, right? So in order to verify this, right, you can just click on the view button or you can press F5 on the keyboard to check if that VAT 15% is created. Yes, so we can see the second row, which is the VAT 15% that has been created, right? So you can just now press on the escape to come out of this LOV list of values, and you can just click on the F12 button to close this tax master screen. Yes, right now we have created a new tax 15%. The next step is we have to map these for all the items in the software, right? For that, you just have to go to inventory, masters, and items. So clicking on this will open the item master window where you will have a provision to bulk update this newly created tax for all the items. Okay, so I'll just click on this items. Now the item master window has opened. Now we have so many function keys below, right? So you can either click Control and F3 on the keyboard so that the bulk update screen opens automatically, or you can just click on this blank key which is over here. Just click it twice. When you click on one time, the shift comes up, and click on another time, the control comes up. All right. So you will have the bulk update option where you can just click on this to open the bulk update screen, right? So this is the bulk update screen where all our items and all the taxes will be displayed, right? You can use the scroll bar below to navigate left and right, right? You can just click on scroll it towards the right to see the list of field values, right? Now we have to find two particular fields. One is purchase tax and another one is sales tax, right? Yes, we do have both the fields over here, purchase tax and sales tax. So let me focus on the first line item, this one. You can see this arrow mark, it is pointing to the first line item. So I'll just change the tax from VAT 5. I'm just clicking on this downward arrow, and VAT 5, I'm just going to change it to 15. And once that is done, you just have to press enter, right? After pressing enter, what happens now? You can see the first line item is changed to VAT 15% is highlighted blue in color, right? So once that is done, you can just use the arrow keys to, the upward arrow key to focus on the cursor above, right? So I'm just focusing on the cursor, cursing the cursor to the first line item as VAT 15%, which is already there. So now press Control C on the keyboard. So once Control C is pressed, it means that that particular record is copied. Now press Control Shift V altogether. Okay, so when you press them all together in the keyboard, it will ask you this message: do you wish to paste an entire column? Right? When you click as yes, the VAT 15% is copied for all the line items. The same procedure you have to follow for the sales tax as well. Just change the VAT 15 for the first line item by clicking on this downward arrow, this one over here, and click on VAT 15. Now press enter. Use the upward arrow key on the keyboard to focus the cursor to the first line item again, and press Control C. Just leave a gap of 1 or 2 seconds. Now press Control Shift V. Right. So it will ask you whether you wish to paste it to entire column. Just click yes. Again, yes, that is also done. Now we have to just click on save. So now the purchase tax and sales tax we have updated as 15% for all the items, right? So now we can verify. You can verify the same. Now you can just close this item master. Now you can verify the same by going to the sales bill, right? You can just press enter and you can choose any one item, and you can check if the tax amount is calculating as 18%. Yes. So as you can see here, the VAT tax for this particular item is calculating 18% automatically. So now you can just go to the purchase screen, and there also you can verify if the same thing is coming up. I'll just clear the screen. Now I'll go to purchase invoice. There also we can verify if the same 15% is showing up for all the items, right? So I'll just choose one supplier. I'll put the invoice number. I'll enter the invoice amount. Yeah. So now I'll choose any one item, any one item. Yes. As you can see, the tax 15% is getting applied for all the items, right? And we can see that in LOV also. You can see the tax 15% is being applied for all the items over here, right? So yes, so right now we have done the changes correctly. We have created a new tax. We have updated the new tax 15% for all the items using the item master bulk update provision, and we have verified the same in sales screen as well as the purchase screen, right? So once this transaction is saved, you can verify in the reports as well. The same thing will be replicated to the reports. All right. So thank you everyone. Thanks for your time. If you're having or facing any challenges during these kind of update operations, you are very well welcome to reach our 24/7 support team, where our executives will be guiding you on how to do it. All right. So please use the My Gofrugal application, which is available in Play Store as well as the App Store. Right. You can install that, and you will be able to chat with the executives right away. Right. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.